Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 and Sonoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Draw out your cut line about half an inch from the bottom of the frame for the length of the part. Step 3. Begin cutting along your drawn line and remove the piece. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Slide the part up onto the frame while using the frame holes to help with alignment. C-clamp it into place. Step 5. Tack weld the part onto the frame. And remove the clamp. Completely weld the part along all edges while taking care to not damage your vehicle's body. Finally, coat the work area with a primer to help prevent against rust development. And you're done.